If you're looking for ways to make your iPhone's battery last longer, enabling low power mode is a great solution. It's perfect for when your battery is running low and you need to stretch it a little further. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to enable low power mode on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Enable low power mode from settings. First, open the settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down until you see the battery option. After that, tap on battery to open the settings for battery options. Now toggle the low power mode switch to the on position. When it's on, the switch will turn yellow. Once you've done this, your iPhone will be in low power mode, helping you save battery. Solution 2. Enable low power mode from Control Center. To start, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to access the Control Center. Next, tap the plus icon to customize your Control Center. Then tap on Add Controls and find low power mode in the list. Now you'll be able to quickly turn low power mode on or off right from the Control Center whenever you need it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to easily enable low power mode on your iPhone and enjoy longer battery life. If you found this helpful or have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.